Okay. Good afternoon. Today I will present my final research protocol progress. My name is Jesus Luciano Guerrero, and I decided to develop my thesis on evaluation of the efficiency of a blading spirit via retailed heavily for small scale wind turbines, and I was advised by Dr. Elvalilia Reynoso Jardón throughout the first part of thesis. Okay, let's start. Below we can see the body of first part of research, where the introduction, background, problems statement, uh, the general objectives, as we has as particulars or justification, in addition to our scope and delimitation, and finally our uh, still tables are presented of activities and backgrounds table. Uh, okay, to have a introduction to the topic and understand it better, uh, we will see how mechatronic can be introduced to project and can notice definition well. Mechatronic is a interdisciplinary field that combines elements of mechanics, electronics, and computing to design and develop intelligent and automated systems. The term mechatronic comes from the combination of mechanics and electronics. The term refers to the integration of these two disciplines together with computing to develop system and that involving mechanical, electrical, and software components. A blade is used in a propel and in the main component of wind turbine. It's about the ability to perform multi-task. Its primary task is to take energy from the wind and through the movement of the blade, the rotation of rotor is generated so that the energy is transmitted. Also, the impact mechatronic has its true surprising since mechatronic impacts everything from the design to the material, using the integration of sensors to monitor their performance in real time. It also plays a role in the energy storage and the conversation on the conversion and is essential for the efficiency of this system. The components of the blade are shown here. The, the, the tower, whose function is support to get to gondola. This must be very robust, as well as equipped with found. Other component is blades. This can measure up to 50 vehicles in a row. They are made with mixture on the figures and their strength. At the same time, they aerodynamic, and the firm like airplane wing. Rotor, it's a blades where they are attached to the shaft and the beams on the wheels calibrating the blades capturing the want to transmit the power to the hub. Gondola This component is the box that hosts the grab box, electric generator, and the control, orientation, and brake system. Uh, the gearbox increases the rotor speed approximately is 60 times, and when reaching up the 1,500 per minute. Transform Transformer is located in the bus. Uh, the electricity is produced in the generator past the transformer through cable. To that, electricity can be sent with the required voltage and to substation, and from there to electrical grid. Biomimetic is the method in which designers and engineers carry on the biological research to determine how organisms solve the most complex problem. To experience the design of the blade, the example of retailed eagles was taken because he is evidently a bit from the forest region, used as winter season to bird and descends to Chihuahua. Okay. The evaluation of the efficiency of blade inspired by flying or the tiled glypher application is small scale. We intervene a recess from a converge between biomimetics and aerodynamic engineers, detailed observation of the flight of the birds, such as red-tailed eagle, has received specific evolutionary strategy to maximize energy efficiency and flight performance. This approach has sparked significant interest in the replicant these characters to improve the design of wind turbine blades to share for more efficient and adapted shapes for wind turbine blades has led exploration of who virtues has retailed and maximum energy generation. Studies have shown stability of the prey up involving harmonic condition, adjusting their uh, wing angle, per shape and the way distribution to maximum lead minimum strength. Uh, to develop of blades spirit by breeds, shoes has the red dialect, equal percent to exciting fat towards improving with generation technology. Uh, throughout in the research, the development stage, and the potential of these geometric designs to improve the efficiency and sustainability of small scale wind turbines is promising, opening the door on the new era of innovation and renewable energy. For our problem statement, we first had to deduce the energy generation from renewable sources. Two has wind energy play a crucial role in the climate change measuring the combination of energy sources used to supply the energy demand and society. In this context, small-scale wind turbines represent uh, potentially to remote or decentralized areas. Power on of the gate change in the efficiency of these systems leads in the design of the performance on the wind turbine blades. Although biomimetics has been explored as a source in of the inspiration to remote blade aerodynamics, question remain about the efficiency and effectiveness of applying red cycle. Eagle Spirit design principle to small scale wind turbines, the evaluation of wind turbines blades inspired in the retired Eagle for small scale system lacks the efficiency and precise methodology to hinder the maximization of energy efficiency in the context, limiting the viability and affordable and sustainable renewable energy source. The lack of efficiency in the evaluation poses critical changes in the effective implementation of natural spirit technology in the turbine design. The general objective of the study is design small-scale wind turbines with experience with the right angle in order to prove the efficiency of wind energy. Uh, Capturing is adaptability to different wind conditions to reducing the environmental impact of the generation of, of generation energy. uh, these particular objectives are the following is investigate the aerodynamic characteristics of the tile, eagle flights and the adaptation to design of the wind turbine blades, develop a prototype wind turbine blade based on red tiled eagle flies principles, analyze performance tests to evaluate to aerodynamic efficiency to eagle inspired blades compared to conventional design, evaluate the stability and adaptability of wind turbines equipment with eagle inspired blades into real wind conditions limits of CFD. Development of the list has improved the quality of the life in the local communities and society in the general is crucial small scale wind powers generation can bring electric to remote and unserved areas, benefiting people without access to it by optimizing the the efficiency of wind turbines inspired with tidal eagle. Energy costs are reduced, making it more accessible. This not only improves living conditions, but I also reduce the gap in access to energy and promoting sustainably develop and social equality. To design, develop, and evolution and blade inspired the flying of the radar eagle for the application is small scale wind turbines. Their format they include the design and prototype of the blade, wind tunnel test, and computer simulation to evaluate the aerodynamic efficiency and behavior in various conditions. Field tests will carry out valid its performance in real situation. In addition, an environmental analysis will be carried out to evaluate the impact on reducing carbon emission. The result will be used to provide implementation, recommendation, and permitted the transition toward cleaner and more and more sustainable energy generator is the small scale wind turbine industry is possible. Future research for continuous improvement of the technology. Okay, and the the limitation is the regard that despite the application of biomimetic principles, spirited reticle, the efficiency and adaptability with thermal blade might subject of controllable design, variable and climate condition, researchability, in addition a large scale, feasibility and industrial acceptance may depend on economic factors. Regulation and social acceptance, which could limit their adoption of practical application. Okay, here we present our schedule of activities where we keep track of the we are going to carry out the develop of activities from our first week to week 16. Our first week we start with the documentation, and from there we continue sequence activities and sit back. Of course, we have a few weeks as well card to and use the specific everything in our last activity, which in the global evaluation of result. And here we have our backgrounds that in the table with reference that we helpful to use. Uh, Helpful to use and will continue to support and through develop of a project. Okay. Thank you very much for your attention and please to have worked with you on the first part the thesis teacher. Good day.